Okay, let's give you guys some practice. So here I've got a straight line. I've got a straight line here. Imagine this is a straight line. It goes through 7. So this point here is 7, and it goes through this point here 5, 3, meaning 5 across and then 3 up. Work out the area of this triangle. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to work out the area of this triangle, try to work backwards. What do you need to know in order to work out this triangle? Well, you need to know the height times the base. Well, the height is 7. This height is 7. And the base here, well, to work out this base, you need to know this point here. So to find out this point, you need to know the equation of this straight line. So our first task is to work out the equation of this line. Well, it's a straight line, so we know it's going to be of the form y equals mx plus c. The intercept is 7, so we can put the 7 into here. So the equation would be mx plus 7. So now we need to work out the gradient. Well, the gradient, and to work out the gradient, we need to work out this height. Well, this height here, well, here you've gone 5 across and 3 up. You've gone 5 across and 3 up. So this height here must be 4, because this height here is 7 and this height here is 3. So this height here must be 4. Well, the across here would be, well, you've gone 5 across and 3 up. So this length here must be 5. So the gradient will be 4 over 5. But because it's going downhill, you need to stick a negative in front of it. So our gradient is negative 4 over 5. So we can put that into here. So the gradient will be negative 4 over 5. So now we need to work out, hang on, let me erase, bear with me. So now remember, to work out the area of the triangle, we need to know this height, which happens to be 7, and we need to know this length. Well, to find out this length here, we need to know this point. So once we've got our equation, we can easily work out this point. Well, this point here, the height of this point will be 0. So the coordinates will be something, something, comma 0, because it would be something across. That's this something here, and then the height would be 0. Well, this is your y here at this point. So you would put the 0 into the y. So that would then give us this, negative 4 over 5x plus 7. So we now need to work backwards to find out x here. So now visualize this as a negative block plus 7. So in your mind, add this block to both sides. That will then give you 4x over 5 equals 7. So now it's just a matter of working out x. X here represents this location here. So times 5 to both sides. So that would be this. And then divide 4 to both sides. So that would then give us this. So x, this distance here, is 35 over 4. So to work out the area of the triangle, we will get the height times the base and then divide it by 2. So hang on. So let's work out the area of the rectangle first. So it'd be height times the base. So the rectangle, the area of the rectangle equals the height 7 times the base. The base is 35 over 4. So that would be 35 times 7. So that would be 35 carry the 3, 21, 24. So that would be 24, 5 over 4. So that's the area of the rectangle. So the area of the triangle, which we're just going to call A, because we were trying to seek A all along. So it would be the area of the rectangle, 245 over 4 over 4, and then you divide it by 2. Now when you divide a fraction, it gets multiplied to the bottom. So it would be 245 over 8. So this here would be your final answer. Okay.